Ahoy scallywags, we're at an open farm day today. I've got Polly the pirate with me as well and the rest of the pirates. We're going to see what's going on and we'll show you some animals in a little while. Arr. Well, as you can see scallywags, we've found some baby calves here just hiding in the little shelters at the moment. This one's come out to say hello to Polly. You see that one, Polly? You're giving her a little wave. That's it. A little bit nervous, I think. There you go. Well, this one's coming out now to say hello here. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Hello.
That's their food.
Oh, and Pipe Pack got a little, again, a little bit used to me there now. Let's say hello, Polly. Oh, hello. Oh, very cute. I think quite likes the pirate there. There's another little one inside there as well, lying down. Oh, hello there. And as you see, there's a tractor ride going on in the background as well. So we'll say goodbye to that one and we'll go a little bit further up here. We've got a little brown one. That one's quite cute. Let's go and see if we can say hello. That one looks very, very young. See, just in there. And that's their food that they have there. More of like a drink really. Makes them grow. Polly the pirate seems to have a new friend here. Oh, hello there. No, not Polly. Yes, very nice. Wave bye to them. Check out Pirate Rio Paphos as well. Got some new friends up here. Quite cool, aren't they, Pirate Rio Paphos? Oh, had a drink, look. Hello. Oh, Pirate Polly's got another friend again. Scallywags, we've got the chickens in here. Now something you might not know, I used to have some chickens many years ago and they used to lay lots of eggs and they're great fun, and as you can see there's quite a few over there. Wave to the camera, Polly, and there's the chickens just over there, scallywags. We've got some white ones as well, they look great. Here comes the tractor ride again, scallywags. Lots of people on there, having a bit of fun in the trailer.
Hello, Ethan.
Well, as you notice, we've got the chicks down there, which we've just seen. We've also got the pigs down here, scallywags, as well. We're going to go a little bit further with Polly and see if we can find any more animals down here. So they're just shearing the sheep over here, scallywags. So if you come over here, you'll just be able to see the gentleman with the sheep. Have a good look at this.
I've run into awful problems with my work because I couldn't, they're with my friends. I'd be terrible, I couldn't. All mine would go on. But you know, they're obvious. It's kind of done. You can no fun in the back, they're not fun. It's just how tricky it is. I've watched someone do it with a pair of clippers. It's only like paper. You've got blades, yeah, there was that I used to do. They're not going right down. That's how they used to do it. would come out and come out and see me. I don't think half the time people know where their food comes from. You know, if somebody I used to know grew up on a farm outside Winchester, and no one had a clue where it came from.
Well, as you can tell, it was quite a quick process. I'm sure these guys had years of practice, kids. Made it look really easy. Let's go and see what we can find now. Well, Scallywags, we found our favourite store here. It is our sponsor, Stanton Farm Meats. Scott's hiding behind there somewhere. Have a bit of a wave, Scott. You know, he's busy man. He's got queues coming in here. That's our sponsor, Stanton Farm Meats. Check him out on Facebook at Stanton Farm Meats. He's got some great offers on at the moment as well. And don't forget, the weather's picking up now, so great for those barbecues, Scallywags, as well. Well, as you can see, Scallywags, we're at the bees, and see this one here, the little blue bit, I believe that's the queen bee. That's fantastic. Check these out, all in the honeycomb there. Quite absolutely out of this world really to see it this close up. Check it out, Scallywags. Is it good fun on there? Yeah, I won't fall off, will I? That's alright then. Not a fall off. So it's good on the tractor ride now, Scallywags. This looks like great fun. Here we go. Here we go then, Scallywags. Just set off on our tractor ride. Polly the Pirate's waving to everyone again. It's a bit of a show off a little bit. Waving to all the little babies today, look. There we go. Just going past the chickens, the hens. This looks like great fun, Scallywags. A bit more of a wave to everyone, Polly. There we go. That's comfortable, doesn't it, Pirate Rio Pathos right there? Well, we're going a little bit further. You're going on the tractor? Yes, put fun on that. See you later. Bye-bye.
Yay! Nice to meet you.
And you?
Have you had some cheese?
Yes, we've had some cheese, haven't we? Yeah,
Ooh,
good fun on that.
yummy.
You're going on the tractor, are you?
Yes, please.
It's good fun on the tractor, isn't it, Pirate Rio Pathos? Little bit bumpy, so hold on tight. It's quite fun. It really is.
Yeah.
Great, isn't it?
Yeah, we will do. Thank
See you soon,
you.
Campus. Cool, fantastic. I couldn't find you. That's all right, mate.
I was on the tractor.
Oh, was you? Yeah?
I'm going to go on with my brother and
Oh, yeah.
Ham.
Okay, mate, cool. That's good, though. Looking pretty cool. Your shades on. It's pretty cool. All the bandanas fell off, Polly. There we go. The new recruit. Yeah. Need the haircut. It's getting a bit long now. What are you doing now? Are you going on the tractor again, or?
When he comes back round.
Yeah?
I might go and try cheese at the same.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, put the cheese, doesn't it?
I just had chocolate lolly.
Have you?
Yeah, and cheese one and like chocolate cake.
Cool.
And I just got stung by a stinging.
Oh, you didn't, did you?
Yeah.
Oh dear. You're alright. That's good then. He's okay. You had a cake, yeah. Pirate Rio Pathos had a cake as well, so it's good, isn't it? Good fun. Yeah. Do you subscribe to our YouTube channel?
I might ask my mum if I'm allowed to.
Yeah, just get your mum to, because we're putting lots of videos on every day now, so it's really good fun, okay? Some silly ones as well. Do some silly things. Alright mate, I'll catch you later. Have a good day. Alright. How you doing? Okay? All high five there. Real.
I want one. High five.
Oh, look at your bandana. She's messy. Oh, there you go. You're laughing at. Look at your hair. Oh, we saw the bandana out. Oh, she's so messy today. Oh, there, another high five, Polly. There you go. Look at you. You messy old pirate.
If you could get it all inside. Maybe in it.
After 3, you have to go arr. Like a pirate. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Arr. Yeah, well done, Scallywags. Thank you. Bye. See you soon. For you to sleep then. You sleep. Oh, that's cool. Let's go to the dairy now. Talk to you now. It's very, very noisy in there. So follow me and we'll go and have a look. As you can see, the cows are being milked there. The tubes on the rudders. See the milk coming through. You have a good look. So that's the dairy, Scallywags. Well, Scallywags, we've had great fun today down at the farm. It's Stanton House Farm. It's been an open farm day. Absolutely fantastic. Must recommend it to people with families. A great day out. Lots going on for all ages. We've had a great day. If you want to ask us any questions, please comment below in the boxes, okay? Ask us some questions about any animals, anything you like. We've learned quite a bit today. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Pirate Pat channel. Arr! Well, Scallywags, back in the Patmobile now, just about to head home. The children had a great time, the pirate children. Polly the pirate had a great time, didn't you, Polly, as well? And we even bought some cheese. The children tested some cheese, there was lots of samples, and they bought some red Leicester, as you can see there. So we're going to have that for our tea when we get back. Hope you enjoyed that, Scallywags. Like I said before, leave some comments below. If you want to ask us any questions, please do so. And give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Pirate Pat channel. Arr! He's my little boy, the Boom and Rio and Carl my wife. They all live a pirate life. Ahoy, Scallywags!
But he's not scary, can't you see? All he wants to do